Hello, welcome to this video where I'm going to go through a few of the new features in the new Seqta Engage and Seqta Learn. So you will notice when you go to the assessments now, as it's the end of the year, there won't be any upcoming assessments, but if I just go down to English now, you'll notice that the assessment outcomes look a little bit different. At the bottom of each assessment, you'll see whether the teacher has left feedback and whether the student also is meant to put a reflection in here. So in this case here, the student's reflection is needing to go in but hasn't happened yet. In this one here, the student has reflected and the teacher has left feedback. In this one here, you can see the teacher feedback and there hasn't been a student reflection as of yet. You'll see at the top here that you get an overview of the assessment, the details of the assessment, plus any submissions in 3 different tabs at the top there. Another thing that you'll see if I look at the health program here is in the past when the date had passed for assessments, that the assessment would just disappear from both the upcoming because the date had passed and it would not appear here. So you now see in the new version of Seqta that you have this section here called results pending. So these are assessments that have passed the date where they've actually happened, but they have not been marked or the marks have not been released yet. Now you will still see those assessments sitting here in results pending. You will also notice the use of rubrics. So rubrics are now available in Seqta and they will be released to the students and to yourself so you can see what the details are for achievement in that certain assessment. When the teacher releases the results for this assessment, you will then see the rubric filled in to show the results that the student achieved. So there's just a few things to look for in the new version of Seqta Learn and Seqta Engage.